Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Dikan and I film videos like this one. So if you're interested in beauty, skincare and lifestyle, then definitely make sure that you're subscribed and that your notification bell is turned on for whenever I post a video. And hey, my returning subscribers, thank you so much for tuning back in today. Without further ado, let us get into today's video. So in today's video, I'm going to be discussing top maintenance soaps, and these are like bar soaps that you can use in maintaining your skin tone and taking care of your skin. And the good part is that these are all affordable soaps that you can easily get your hands on. Quick hair check. Are you guys seeing this hair that I got from ULAHAIR? Absolutely amazing. I've been wearing this hair every day. You guys, this is the hair you'll be seeing on this channel from now on, because I love it so much. The lace just melts every single time. I love it. Now, a lot of people often confuse which is better between shower gels and bar soaps. I wanted to answer that it is just the same thing. They do the same job with cleansing the skin. It's just different formulas. One is in solid form and one is in liquid form. So nonetheless, there are definitely things to consider when choosing a liquid soap or a bar soap, and that could be things like texture, skin type, also practicality to use. Some people find that bar soaps are easier to use than shower gels. Some people find that shower gels are easier to use than bar soap. So this is totally personal preference, so you would go for what you want. But I just wanted to say that they do the same thing in cleansing both your face and your body, and it really depends on what you want for your skin and how each of these variety or texture reacts to your skin. There are people that their skin does not like shower gels, and there are people that their skin does not like soaps. I also wanted to mention that bar soap sometimes can be a bit drying on the skin depending on the formulation that you get. There's also moisturizing bar soaps that are not drying to the skin, that do not strip your skin, but there are certain ones that you might get that might have like a drying reaction to your skin. So if you have dry skin, you might want to be wary of that. But apart from that, this is like literally the only comparison. And the other thing is the price point. Sometimes bar soaps are usually more affordable than shower gels, so this really just depends on your budget, your preference, and your skin. So even when some soaps can be drying to the skin, at the end of the video I'm going to tell you how you can use bar soaps to make sure that they are not drying on your skin, so stay tuned for that. So getting into our recommendations today for the best but affordable bar soaps for the face and body. My first recommendation today, and this is in no particular order, would be the Cetaphil Cleansing Bar. Now, Cetaphil Gentle Cleansing Bar, as the name suggests, is a very gentle and nourishing cleansing bar for the skin. This can be used on both face and body, and I think the size for that is 127 grams, and it retails for about $6. And I'm also going to leave the Naira equivalent because I know my Nigerian sisters watch my channel a lot, so I'm going to leave that on the screen. And yeah, it is formulated with 5 ingredients that would help nourish and as well moisturize the skin. Now, it is a gentle soap that would definitely wash away the dirt from the skin, but will still maintain your skin's moisture or natural moisture barrier. Now, the skin types that can use this soap is normal skin, sensitive skin, dry skin, and even oily combination skin, in my opinion. Now, it is a gentle soap that has been dermatologically tested to work on all skin types. So because of its formulation, it is not drying, it is not stripping on the skin, would accommodate all skin types. Now, for the top ingredients in this soap, and I'm going to read them out because I don't want to bite my tongue, is sodium cocoa acetonate. There's also stearic acid, and there's sodium stearate as well. Now, these are all nourishing ingredients for the skin. We don't want to get into all of the science behind that because it's going to be a long one. Now, for the next soap that I want to recommend in this video today, and that is the CeraVe Gentle Cleansing Bar. Now, this one is almost the same like the Cetaphil one. It's just another brand, so it depends on which one you can get or easily get your hands on. And it's about the same size. It's about 128 grams, and it retails for about the same same price as well, which is about $6. One thing that did stand out about this one is that it is a hydrating soap that would not strip your skin. It's a formula that is non-comedogenic, meaning that it will not clog your pores. In fact, it will even help to degunk your pores. Now this soap is a hydrating one because it contains ceramides, and we know that ceramides is great for hydrating the skin, and also contains hyaluronic acid, which is a great humectant that draws in moisture into the skin. Now the ceramides in this soap are 3 essential ceramides, like their cleansing gel as well. So this works for both face and body, and is also a very gentle formula. Now the next bar soap that I want to recommend, and this one has been around for a long time, since I was a little girl I've been seeing this soap around. That one is the Pears Moisturizing Bathing Bar, and I'm going to pop up a picture on the screen so you can see. What I love about this soap is that it is very moisturizing on the skin. Once you use this soap, you don't walk out of the shower feeling dry and squeaky, but you're definitely clean, and that soap lasts for a very long time. I don't know if it's because it's a transparent soap. This soap is formulated with 98% pure and natural glycerin, which helps in maintaining the moisture levels on our skin. It also contains nourishing ingredients and natural oils, which helps to hydrate and soften the skin. I love this soap as well. It's quite affordable and does the job in cleansing your skin. I'm going to leave the dollar and naira equivalent, and I'll also have all of these soaps listed in the description bar, so you can definitely check that out and use the link to purchase. It could be an affiliate link where I get a little bit of a commission when you order, or maybe not. It could also be a link that I found online that I know would be useful to you guys. So yeah, you can use the links in my description to order off any of these soaps. Now the next soap that I want to recommend, and I think this will be our 3rd recommendation, and that is the Dudu Oshun soap. Now that one too has been around for a long time, and I know a lot of people don't mess with black soap, but black soap is actually okay for the skin depending on how you use it. And one thing with black soap is that it could strip your skin of its natural, you know, moisture levels. Like I promised in the beginning of the video, I said I was going to tell you guys how to use your soaps to, you know, get the best out of it. With whatever bar soap that you're using, make sure that you double up on your hydration, on your moisture game as well. You want to make sure that you use a very moisturizing lotion or body cream once you are done taking your shower with soap. In routines where you use bar soaps for your skin, you might want to opt for, you know, thicker lotions or a body butter to keep your skin more moisturized and keep that moisture locked in. And also, apart from using lotions, you can use your lotions with like oils to lock in the moisture on your skin, just so the moisture does not easily, you know, evaporate from your skin. But yeah, just make sure to double up on moisture, and then also pay attention to your ingredients. Make sure to use lotions or body creams that contain hyaluronic acid or something that contains glycerin, you know, any of those humectants that will keep your skin hydrated for longer. That helps with the whole skin maintenance process. So you're using a soap, then you're following up with hydration, with moisture, and with ingredients that would actually nourish your skin to support the soaps that you're using on your skin. So yes, the Dudu Oshun soap, I don't know if it's Dudu Oshun or Dudu Osun, but yeah, it's a black soap. It's made in Nigeria. It's great. It's available in different parts of the world. You can easily order it off, you know, Amazon, I think. So I'm going to find links and put it in the description box. Now that soap is not as harsh as other black soaps that you find out there. It is carefully made and carefully crafted to nourish the skin. A lot of people have had so much success rate using that soap on their skin. It is not as drying as other black soaps, and with the Dudu Oshun soap, it also has lots of herbs and nourishing, you know, ingredients as well to support the work of the soap on your body. It is a great maintenance soap. It also lasts a very long time, but one thing with that one, you need to keep it away from water because it melts off so easily. So keep it somewhere safe in your bedroom that, you know, water does not get to easily, except when you're using it on your skin. A lot of people have even had success with Dudu Oshun clearing their pimples, their spots, and all of that. It just depends if the soap actually likes your skin. But I would like to say that if you have dry skin or very dry skin and even sensitive skin, you might want to stay away from this particular soap. But if you have oily combination skin and normal skin, then you can opt for this soap. It's a great one for, you know, maintaining and nourishing your skin. Now for the next soap that I want to recommend today, and that is the CeraVe Gentle Cleansing Bar. The CeraVe Cleansing Bar is a great and gentle cleansing bar for the skin. I specifically love this one because it's formulated at a pH of 5.5, which is the same pH value of healthy skin. So I absolutely love that soap. And one thing about the CeraVe Cleansing Bar is that it is 100% soap and alkali free, which means that it does not contain soap, but it is a gentle and nourishing cleansing bar for the skin that still very much lathers, because some people confuse a soap-free product to a product that does not lather well or does not even lather at all. But this is not the case. This is a great gentle cleansing bar for the face and body, nourishes the skin, will not strip your skin of its natural pH level. Now this is a great soap for sensitive and problematic skin, but anyone can actually use it. It's a gentle soap. It also contains vitamin E that suits the skin and does have good skin tolerance even when you have problematic skin. Now I love this soap because it is carefully created with vitamins and even natural sugar that are very beneficial to the skin. In most cases, when a product can work very well for sensitive and problematic skin, then all other skin types can actually go with using the product without getting, you know, any adverse reaction on the skin. So if you do have sensitive skin and you're wondering which of these soaps that you should try out, I would definitely recommend you try out the CeraVe Cleansing Bar, and you would be in a safe zone. Now for the last recommendation in this video today, but definitely not the least, and that would be the Dove Cleansing Bar. I'm going to leave a picture on the screen so you guys see the one that I'm talking about. And what I specifically love about this soap is that Dove combines the formula of this soap with its signature moisturizing lotion. What this means is that this is a deeply hydrating soap because it does encompass the formula of their lotion. And what this would mean would be that the Dove Cleansing Bar would be very hydrating on the skin, would not strip your skin of its natural oil levels. And because of its gentle formula, the Dove Cleansing Bar actually helps to replenish the skin of its natural nutrients and, you know, oils that must have been stripped during the process of cleansing. So what this soap actually does is infuse back into your skin all of those, you know, nutrients and natural oils that you could lose in the process of cleansing. Dove soap is also great for the face and body, as with all the soaps that I've mentioned in this video today, so definitely keep that in mind. And also try a couple of them out as they are inexpensive, so you can experiment and see which one you really want to settle for from all of these that I've mentioned today. Don't forget to hydrate and moisturize your skin properly after you're done using your cleansing bar. While using your cleansing bars in the shower to cleanse your face or your body, be sure to lather it properly, either on your hands, like damp hands or damp sponge, to make sure that you get enough product to cleanse your skin with. These are cleansing bars. They don't work like shower gels that you can just pour on your body and easily get the products distributed. You would need to do a bit of the work on your palm and also on your sponge. Yeah, that'll pretty much be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this recommendation helpful, then please thumbs up this video to let me and YouTube know that you like my content. And also, if you found any of your fave today that I mentioned, or you might want to let me know your fave as well in the comment section. Please subscribe if you're not subscribed to the channel, because what are you doing? And I have a lot of videos on this channel that would help you get your glow game to the highest level. Thank you so much for watching, and as usual, I wish you a beautiful, perfect and luscious skin, and I will see you guys in my next one. Mwah.